Good morning, Dr. B. Just wanted to send you all a welcome back video, say hello. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope your families, significant others, pets are doing well also. Uh, just let you know, I'm here for y'all. I'm working really hard to get materials online. Going to do my very best to present things as clearly and with as few issues as possible. Hope you all will work with me and we can all complete the class and be glad whenever everything, comes to an end for the semester. I feel that this is going to be the way we communicate with one another until the end of the semester. I don't see us meeting back in Moy Science Building again. So I just wanted to send you all a video, say welcome back, and I'm here for you. So let's all work together and finish up Bio 101. God bless. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you again next week. Bye.